What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to another Roblox video. And today we are playing I am playing another regular game, supposedly called Flood Escape. Now, yo, I'm in excitement mood, and right now the time is literally 11:35 right now. And guys, I'm gonna have to say this the last time. Hit that like button and subscribe. Turn on post notifications for Piggy 2. Part 2 is coming up on tomorrow, I think. No. Now I remember. Okay. Yeah. Part 2 will be coming on Tuesday. Pixel Gun 3D, on the other hand, is coming tomorrow. Is the day after tomorrow, sorry. That is where, I'm confused. Okay, hear me out. Piggy Part 2, Episode 12 is coming on Tuesday. Pixel Gun 3D is coming at Monday, and tomorrow is Monday, so pretty much. So, I want to give this video 5 likes, pretty much, and like my Fortnite videos, or should I say Fortnite surprise videos, please guys, it would really mean a lot to me. Anyways guys, we have just hit the goal, 35 subscribers, and tomorrow I'll be on Twitter, and I will be downloading Twitter, and so, yeah, so for our 25 subscribers, welcome to TD Wizard GG, guys. The TD Wizard GG. I'll tell you the 35 subscriber. If the 35 subscriber is seeing this video, thank you so much for subscribing. You don't know how much things you've done to my life. We have finally reached to our sub goal, and we're going to do a special video tomorrow. And if you guys didn't see my new camera, I'll be showing you tomorrow. So I'm making 3 videos, my camera. So, and then I'm going to, let's play the game. It's been a couple of whiles. So let's play the game. Okay. It's been a couple of days since we played a lot of Piggy, actually, so I never got to play that much of a normal game. I've been practicing. I haven't played this game in a long time, like, for reals. Guys, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications. And yeah, and hit that bell, please, guys. Please, guys, you're not gonna want to miss Piggy 2. You really don't. And yeah, if the 24 subscriber is seeing this, or should I say, 35 subscribers, seeing this video, I just want to say 35 subscriber, like one of my videos, especially my Fortnite toys videos, and stay tuned for more 35 subscriber, stay tuned, because there are going to be, and also, hit the bell, and if you already hit the bell, you are the best, and it will let you know when Piggy is coming up. Piggy 2, in fact, and also my special video and Pixel Gun 3D, if you love Pixel Gun 3D. So now chip chattering. This game looks really interesting, and I've played this a long time ago. Like I said, pretty much. What am I saying? Okay. I am waiting. Legitimate. So how much players do we need? Come on. Is anybody coming to easy, please? Okay, no, some people are going for middle. No. One of them want. Oh no. Okay, yes, this girl's gonna decide, please. Let's go. So a lot of people are choosing easy. What is that? Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna have to say the developer, whoever did this, did a good job. I think we're getting my work. Now we need one more player left. Come on, one more player. All we need is one more player. Come on, one more player. Please. And it's kind of glitchy, I know, guys. You can't really see well. Like, in the camera, sorry. Your eyesight is perfect, except when you're blind. Oh my god, what am I saying? Okay, so this is pretty good. I will be talking to the creator. Not like real life, but like ask him as a bot, because I think I'm gonna have to get out of my computer. In fact, I don't know. Who knows and who will not know. So pretty much. Oh yes, we're going. Okay. We go. Okay. Escape the flood. So I got some tips, guys. I got some tips. You're supposed to hit the blue things until they get to red, so we can find out some of the puzzles. Like for no. Gosh dang. It's so tough. But it's easy mode. I know, right? Oh, I'm going to talk to the creator later. I mean, it's not really the creator, but it's just a bot. I know. Oh, no. Let me join. Okay. We have joined middle. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Why middle? Why? This is normal. Oh, I think it's normal. That's why. Okay. Maybe I ain't normal. Oh, so this is parkour, right? Oh, yeah, this is Wow. We already rocked one. We have 0 F coins. What does that mean? Okay, danger. What's the next puzzle that you shall show me? Okay, let's go. Okay. Oh, you're supposed to follow. Here's what I think you should do. Follow the black. Follow the black. No. Don't go down. No! Again! It's so bad at this game. Pretty soon we'll be pretty soon we'll be doing this, guys. Pretty soon. I do have to come to conclusions that we'll be making not a lot. No, these are not episodes. No, I'm not making a playlist of them, cause I'm going to do easy on this video. And once we at least successfully did it, I hope we can get 5 likes on this video. Like, can we guys get 5 likes on this video, please? Please, or 6 likes. 6 likes would have been better. Like, we're coming down. Oh, boys and girls. Alright, I'm speaking this one more time. If you hit the like button, good. If you subscribe, good. And if you turn on post notifications, then you are fine to see the next video. If you didn't, then you're gonna miss it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Boys? How do I... Oh, okay, we didn't die yet. I was so quiet. Okay. Bada bang. Okay, I see the trick. I see the line. Guys, you need to press the red button. Oh, it's already ready. Uh-oh. Nope! You're not supposed to do something. Oh, you're supposed to do that. Okay, and then what's that? What's next? Okay, what's next? Yeet! Baby, I am not normal. No! Help! Please. No, it's too hard. Oh my god. It's too scary. Even at easy, it's still too scary, guys. It's too scary. Oh my god. I mean, it's not scary. It's just nervous, like nerve-wracking. Like, no, exit, no. Okay, fine. I'll do it. I noticed some players join. Oh my god, what am I gonna say? Oh my god, I don't know about you guys. Pretty soon, I will be on that list. I will be on that list. But this is me trying the first time I've tried this. The last time long time ago, I won, and I still have like my same account. So like, you know. Okay, we're going down. Do not mess this up. If I win one last round, or well, not like win, like how should I say? If like win one match, then you have to hit that like button. If you did, you're good. Then just turn on post notifications. Turn on post notifications. Oh God! Sorry. Oh my god. Okay, I am going to explore a little bit of this place. So, I like the elevator. Yeah, I like how it opens the door. What is that? More foods? Oh. Yeah, I will enjoy this a lot. Wait, what is that? Okay, let's see. It says multiple winners line board. Okay, let's see. Um, that's her score. She's won. That is a tough one. I will be on that line board. I just need a little bit of more practice. Like you guys already know, right? I'm gonna explore down. Hold on. I am the last player in the lobby, like legitimately in the lobby. Okay. Flood escape. Okay, let's see. In 24. Oh, okay. That's the 24th place. But let's see. Let's enter. Wait, what? Do we need to get a VIP thing? Okay, it's important. Yes. No, cancel back. I don't want a notification. But you guys are going to need a notification in my channel, so we'll let you know. Piggy. Yeah, I know. I'll stop speaking that, but I will stop speaking that when you at least when you at least when you hit that notification bell. If you did good, because I'm only gonna say it 2 times. Hit that notification bell, and I said it. Just forget about. Just pretend I didn't say nothing. Just pretend I didn't say absolutely nothing about the bell. Pretend. Thank you. So, if I were to say flood, what would I say about flood? I would have a really great idea for flood. I might actually be talking about it. Yeah, maybe like the piggy intro, like the piggy one, the one that I did with piggy. Like we got like 3 likes. Could we get more than 3 likes like that? I'm just very curious. Like every time I talk about a video, I get like 3 likes, but like it's like your guys' choice. I don't care if I get a thumbs down. Okay, I'm still okay. How many players do we need to get? Okay, let's see. Oh, get ready. Okay, I gotta take my nervousness out. Okay. The one doesn't have no box. Oh no, no. I'm Bacon Girl. Are you kidding me? Bacon Girl. Why were you? Bacon Girl. Oh my God, guys! Literally, Bacon Girl again. Oh my God, Bacon Girl. Literally, guys, Bacon Girl just. Really, guys? Guys, Bacon Girl just legitimately like blabbing like saying, no, buddy, let me move. Let me move. She's like this. Buddy, move out of my way, boy. I'm trying to win. I don't care about you, and this is what I'm doing. Hey, calm down, girl. You're pushing me out the way. I'm recording a video, and what she is saying is, nah, I don't care, and she just made me die. Like, what kind of a player are you? So I'm gonna still wait. Yeah, I mean, it's not really gonna be that much. So okay. Oh, he has a YouTube channel. Let's see. Has a Twitter, YouTube, Facebook. It's called Crazy Blocks. Crazy Blocks. More mods? Okay, I like the sound of more mods. Can't see it. Flood escape. What about this one? You need 9 more wins to unlock that. Oh! 9 more wins. I got you, buddy. Gotcha. We need... Oh, 2. Anybody want to join? Join me, please, please. Okay, I'm gonna spectate on Bacon Girl. No, I'm not gonna. I don't want to go. Let's go. See easy. Oh, she just died. Medium. Oh, dang, that's a hard. No. Please, somebody just join the thing for once, please. Oh no, wait, you're a different baking girl. If it was baking, let's check my chat. It says no help. Yeah. Okay, I don't want to spectate anymore. This is absolutely great. I love Flood. I mean, I really don't like it that much, but like I'm starting to like, you know, get the little memo about it. Like I'm starting to love it now. Okay, loading in. Oh, don't mess this up. And hopefully no players will kick me out. Eesh, was that? Oh god. Oh goodness. Okay. Okay. So here's the memo that we need to do. Okay. No. It wasn't the player. It was me. Okay. Now we have a lot of people. Oh wait, is that what he looks like? Are you the creator of the game? Yeah, he's the creator of the game, I think. Yeah, I think it might be the creator of the game. Thank you. I'm liking that thing. I'm really liking it. I'm getting probably used to the game. Here, I'll join. No, let me join. Okay, good. Oh, just in time. Okay, so we all died instant. Seemed like. Okay. Come on, let's go. We're going underneath. We will get 9 wins, guys. We gotta get 9 wins. Oh, foot is up in the. That was vast. Oh, boys. Okay, a lot of you guys got pogos. Got it. Oh, we survived. Wait, so let me get the memo, you know. Okay, guys, you guys need to go over there to jump. Howdy, guys. You guys left your boy here. Oh, so the flood stops. Why so that? How did you guys? Oh no, the flood's coming. And I die. It's just complicated. How can easy? That's not easy. It's not easy. I know I got 0 bonus. I know. But I'm telling you, it's just a little too much for like a player like me. Like, you know, it's pretty. My heart is beeping every time I play this. It says, "Bug in the game. Please tweet me." Oh, yeah, I can see the little message up there. I will tweet. Okay, I will tweet. So I'm playing with my ball right now, so you may hear a couple. Is round gonna begin? We need 3 players left. 2? That's a 2. Yeah, we need 2 more players to join the serve in order for this to work. Still 3 players? What? Okay, check in the chat. No help, yay. Belonging. I know what you feel. I know how you feel, boy. That's how I'm feeling right now. The little loading thing. It's legitimate. I don't think we get 9 wins at the first round. For sure, I will not do an hour video. That's for sure. If we did an hour video, let's just say I would be very mad and disappointed. Okay, game has ended. And guys, for the last intro, let's like and subscribe and turn on post notification bell and hit that bell. Never miss Piggy 2. If you don't want me to say it, then just hit that notification bell. That's all you gotta do. Did you do it? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the comments down below in this video. Oh. Hit the blue thing, guys. Hit the blue thing. For sure. Oh, okay. It's too far away. It's too far. The camera's far away. Too far. No, please. No. Again. I never learned my lessons. Oh my god. It's too dangerous. Sir, I gotta ask you a question. Sir. Sir, I'm gonna have to ask you to stop moving. Okay, Sir, would you listen to me for once? Please? Please? Okay, thank you. No, sir. You're not listening to me. Sir. Oh no. Sir, let me hear you out. Okay, sorry, sir. Sir, you have got the greatest game, but it is very risky. Very risky, and it's making my heart beat. I'm not sure if I want to do this video. Okay, how about this? I'll do a part 2. No, left. On Monday, like next Monday, not this Monday. Jeez, yo, it's giving me the heebie-jeebies. Get in there. One player. Get in there. I'm the one getting in there. Come on, guys. It's in there. So open map. Oh no way! I am paying 3 Robux to choose map once. $3 Robux. Uncall the 150. I mean, I really don't have that much Robux right now because I'm really spending it all on like good stuffs. Not like clothing and all, like other items that I'm very interested at. Okay, let's see. We need, please, guys, please. Okay, come on, guys, come on. Okay. The total was 12. Buy now for 40. Wait, is that 40? 40 Robux. Just to get 40 wins. Don't you got something else on the shop that you... Oh, what's that? Place music. Extras. Yeah, no. I don't want to confirm, but like, I don't want to confirm. No. This game is so complicated. You have to double tap. Join us, please. Oh, get ready. Oh, come on. You got this. You got this, boys. You got this. How did you? Oh, so the game is fooling us, huh? Okay, I'm getting a little memo. Oh, they died. Sorry. I saw Bacon Girl. I can't tell if that was Bacon. Oh. Okay. This looks hard. Okay, we're doing good. Bing! Oh my god, you have no idea. Okay, my heart is a little racing right now. I'm a little racing. Okay, now I need my heart rest. Okay. I need a little heart rest, guys. Oh my god. Yeah, just guys, like and subscribe. We just, okay. No time to chit chat. Wait. Yeah, I was gonna say that shit. Come on. There were only 2 players left, and that is me and her. Oh my god, I really don't want to be the one to die. Man, she's like the best. Oh my god. So, you need to hit that green one, Will. No. If you don't hit that green, hit the green! Okay, she's hitting the green. She's not hitting the green. You're not hitting the green. We're gonna die. You didn't hit the green. Okay. I do not want to die. Oh my. No. Oh, we're wins. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Total was 1. Oh, let me get in there. Okay, I'm starting to get the little memo in my head. It is like begging me to stop playing this game for once. But I want to get I want to get 9 F coins or 9 middle coin, like golden coins. Whatever can stop me from this heart beeping game that I'm so worried about. Like, literally, is like breaking. My heart is racing. You mean like that thing is trying to fool us? Okay, we know that one's good. Okay, Sorry guys, I'm gonna close that. Okay. Next round. I will see you later. Oh no, this is the me and the same girl. Me and the girl did. Yeah, we know this one. I think. Yeah. Okay, somebody needs to press the green, or I will do it. I will do it. Okay, no, somebody already pressed it. Good. Make sure there's no fools. Okay, the third match. Woohoo! You guys gotta. Okay, room 3. No time to talk. We gotta continue the rhythm thing. Oh, wait, guys, I just realized you guys didn't. Okay, now guys, we got jerk. No. Okay. That thing is good. I thought we were gonna die for a second. Okay. If we win this, you guys gotta subscribe. If you did, you're giving me confidence right now. Because subscribing is like giving me confidence. Holy shit. Well, we're gonna die. Yeah. Yeah. How was the total? Oh! 40M bonus. Oh, that is the total. Button bonus. 0. Button bonus. I'll go easy again. I'll go easy. We did pretty good on that one. I had to say. Okay. Game has ended. Good. That's what I just needed. Okay, so I think those are there because I think once that player dies, then it's the right chance to go and get out of here. Okay, let's get ready. Okay, we got this. I am confident. We will get this. I am confident. Now we need to find a way to get out of here. Get out of this flood. Oh, okay. Thank you for the memo. Oh, I know the one. Okay. Okay, good. Somebody already pressed it. Oh, yeah. They. Oh, okay. 40 thoughts. Oh, wait. Oh, I know this one. Okay. Yeep! No. This is the end of the round. No, we might have a chance. Oh, boy. No. No. I thought we were going to survive, but, like, total was 0. I know that. The total was 0. We are legitimate. I am scared right now. Okay, let's see. I have scored, like, how much? Okay. Players left. Okay, so we need to wait for those 3 players to go, and yeah. I am, like, scared. Let's check in the chat. Oh, my God. Ah. Goodness, you guys literally have no idea. My heart was racing. But, like, I feel like I was going to be over. Like, that was the end of the game. We are not done. We need to get 9 F coins. And then I'm ending the video. I'm sorry, guys. I was about to sneeze, but, like, coronavirus. But I don't need to say that because that's not really how you get coronavirus. Yeah, sure, when you get germs on your body, but, like, that's only when you cough. Like, like, I'm not going to actually do it. Like, like, just pretend. You guys get the memo, right? You get this man's memo. This man's memo. I look like Ninja. First of all, everybody's telling me, like every game I play is telling me Ninja. Yeah, and you guys didn't see the chat, but, like, before when I just begun the round, somebody just typed in, bro, I found Ninja, and, like, I'm not a ninja. So, you guys didn't see it, because, like, I did, like, kind of, like, an early video, so I need a little practice. So I guess part 2 is coming up on Monday, next Monday, and then after that, then next Saturday. Then I'll play part 3, and then that's it. That's absolutely it. I am going nowhere with this game. I can't promise I'll go on that line board for sure. I can't promise that. Okay. Skate it. I gotta say, I can't say I'm called a hardcore, but I. Oh, okay. It's that same hallucinating trick. Boy, you better get out. Oh, it's a wooden board. Oh, okay. No. Again. Ugh. I got my moon ball. I'm so glad I have a moon ball. Oh my god. This is when I'm usually get occasionally scared. My moon ball is there because I get sometimes nervous, and when I get nervous, I need my moon ball. Comment down below if you guys know what moon ball is. And comment down below your usernames in Roblox so I can friend you, and when I will let you know while I'm commenting saying, and you can join my VIP server. Let's see. Okay, 4 players down. I will be patient and spectate. Easy boys. Okay, I'm watching this bacon boy. I mean, I used to be a bacon boy, but like, it's just so nourishing. I thank goodness I got my moon ball. Like, if I never had my moon ball, I would be screaming right now. Like, legitimately, we'll be screaming. And saying that last word, that last intro to Bell. Okay. Sometime didn't let me spectate. Oh, easy. Okay, so the other player died. I don't think this one will die. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that none of them will die. I mean, I can't promise that. But we have 4 more, so we need we need 5 more points until we get to 9. And after that, then our goal will be 17 in a medium for not real. It's like real. But I cannot promise that we'll be online board. So, the game is already starting. Good. That's what I'm hoping for. I'm squeezing my moon ball for stress and for scaredness. Hope you guys are feeling comfortable. I sure am, because I am the one who's playing the most uncomfortable game in my mind right now. Comment down below. You guys, this will change your emotions. This will automatically get scared. Okay. That's a new map. Okay, I thought I was gonna be like, Bergamo! Yes, go. Bergamo! Okay. Oh, okay, that was another hallucination. Mom, danger. I know when I see danger, and that's my little YouTube partner. Hello there. Okay, let's go. I'm waiting. Okay, then we're gonna go. Okay, go. Okay, let's go. Let's get out of here. Okay. We can't get out of here yet. I know we need to press a green button, so... Okay, somebody already tapped that. Oh, no! If we win the second match, I will literally be... I will have to squeeze my ball to give me some moment time, because this game is so nervous. Oh. Whew. This is the time for the nervous ball. It's time for the nervous ball. I am seriously scared. Oh my god, they didn't give me as much time as I needed. Okay, the water is coming, and we do not know you will. Oh yeah, make sure you see that you got a Knuckles video. That was like... Okay, that was a button only. Oh, there's fire! Is there such thing as fire in the game? Oh. Okay, so right when you go in, you must... Oh, okay. Oh, no. Bada bang. Oh, climb up. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Guys, we need to jump. Again. Oh, okay. Ooh. Let's go over here, right? Oh, okay, yes, let's go over here. We're supposed to go over here, guys. Wait. Where are you supposed to go, actually? Oh, that's where you're supposed to go. Okay, okay, okay. I got the memo. I got the memo. Okay, I got the memo. I got the memo. No! Ugh, so close. 6. We just need 3 more. Oh my. Uncomfortable. Uncomfortable. I am so uncomfortable. Oh my god. You guys legitimately have no idea how uncomfortable I am. I'm squeezing my moon ball right now. Okay. Is the timer starting? Yes, timer is starting. Let me get my stretch ball and squeeze my ball moon ball. Okay. I'm squeezing it. Just to get ready. Just to get ready. You know, just to get ready, right? Let's do this. Okay. I am confident that we will win. It's another hallucination trick. But you ain't tricking me today. It's the same one. It's the same map. Yes. Let's go. Ooh, okay. Ooh, okay, let me get my stretch ball time. Okay. A little bit more. Squeeze. Okay. I'm done squeezing my delicious ball. Okay, I'm confident. I'm confident now. Guys, hello. Come in here now. Okay. And if we win this one, you have to like my next video. Okay, let's get started. Okay, but you guys, guys, okay, good. Thank you. You've reached the next level of amazing. Jump. Okay, once you jump, there's no going out. Okay. Oh, I get the memo. I get the memo. Okay. Okay. We can't trust the ladder. We can't trust the ladder. We can't touch the ladder. If we do, we're platters. Okay, stress ball time. Stress ball. No. Oh no, when I don't get my stress ball. Oh no, danger, danger, danger. I got it. I got it. I took it. No, what? What the? Oh, isn't you supposed to? Yeah, you're supposed to go here. Okay, now you. Oh, she touched it. Oh, no. No! What? What? One last game, and then, guys, that is the end of the video. One last game. That's all. 3 players left. 1 player left. Shoot my chat. Okay, I finally have my just ball. Okay, good. You have no idea. I'm like scared right now. Okay. The game has ended. And if we lose this one and we get no key coins, then I can do one more match. If this has been an hour, I will literally explode. Okay. Ready? 4, 3, 2, 1. I heard something good happens in the end, so cross your fingers, guys, and turn on that like. Okay, boys, we are doing this. Oh, guys, good news, guys. Okay, you can not touch the ladder thing. Okay. The windows will break every time you touch it. Give me a cheesy Papa Murphy's. Give me a cheesy Papa Murphy's. $5 of money. Jump. Okay, good. You can't touch that thing. Okay, your boy need to stretch. 2 players left. You guys are hearing that, right? 2 players left. Oh, you're not leaving me behind, girl. You're not leaving me behind, right? You're not leaving me behind, right? Okay, good. You're not leaving me behind. Oh, you're leaving me behind. Fuck us in. It's a nightmare. Oh, it's a trap. It's a trap. It's a trap for players. Okay, I see the trap. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. We will win this one. Yeah, not today, boys. We will win this match. I feel like something bad is going to happen. Oh no. Oh no. This must be. I can't tell where she went. Okay, she went that. That's the wrong tower. Girl, you're supposed to. Okay. No, it isn't. You're supposed. Girl, what? Wait, go back. Do you know where she went, guys? Oh, this is the place. Hey, I get it. Hey, me and you are still alive. Stretch ball, stretch ball. Oh. Oh. Let's go. Let's go. Let me do an emote. Oh my god. Inventory. Oh yeah, you know what? Forget about it. I don't forget. Oh my goodness. Let me do my little intro first. Well, guys, that is the end of this video. Legitimately, this is as scary as it could be. I will see you tomorrow, guys. Stay safe, stay asleep, and get some rest like I will. Anyways, guys, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications and hit that bell to never miss a video, especially when Pixel Gun 3D comes and Piggy 2 and when this game comes around. And I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.